Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right now. Open Instagram and tap your avatar or the plus to create a story. Choose video mode, story camera for short clips or reels if you want editing options, and make sure your phone is in portrait 9:16. Once done, enable the microphone and camera permissions. Record a brief 3-5 second test so you can hear levels and adjust proximity. If you want stabilized footage, use a tripod or lock exposure by holding the screen. Now begin recording your first take. Once you have your clip, tap the preview to trim and split. Instagram treats stories in 15-second segments, so split longer takes accordingly. You'll want to add layers, text, stickers, music, and location, and use the timeline controls to time each element precisely. Make sure to adjust text size and alignment so it doesn't cover faces. Use filters or manual brightness and contrast to keep colors consistent. If you need precise cuts, export and re-import edited clips, then reapply. Now finalize. Pick your audience, close friends for a smaller group or public for all followers, and tap send to post instantly. Before you publish, save a draft or export the video to your device so you have a backup. Make sure captions are readable and interactive stickers are placed within safe margins. If posting fails, restart the app, check your network, or clear cache, reupload the saved video if necessary. If audio drops, re-record the affected segment and replace it before reposting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.